Shifting focus to a rally in global stocks boosted by the longest bull run on Wall Street. A rally in the world's largest technology companies sent US stocks to all-time highs, with Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell's remarks to Congress fueling rate cut bets. Now, for the first time in its history, the S&P 500 topped 5,600 points. A revived interest in mega caps drove the US equity benchmark to its longest rally since November. The S&P 500 climbed 1% to mark a 7th straight day of gains and notch its 37th record this year. US stocks rally accelerated in the final minutes of trade centered upon the likes of Nvidia and Apple. A gauge of global equities also rose to a record high. Asian stocks rose, tracking the rally in the world's largest tech stocks, which lifted global shares to new highs ahead of US inflation data due later on Thursday. Stock indices in Japan and Australia rose, echoing the bullish pulse on Wall Street on Wednesday. Singapore stocks' best rally in years may have legs as potential US rate cuts burnish the appeal of the high-yielding market. The Straits Times index has risen nearly 7% this year, helped by gains in lenders and strong dividend expectations. However, sentiment towards Chinese stocks has deteriorated ahead of a key political gathering as traders remain wary about betting on a policy-driven turnaround. Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Co. TSMC traded at record levels, briefly topping the $1 trillion mark. This comes after the sole supplier of Nvidia and Apple's most advanced chips said sales in the June quarter grew at their fastest pace since 2022. Apart from TSMC, Sony Group and SK Hynix were among top contributors to gains in the regional stock index. Oil rallied to settle above $82 a barrel on strengthening demand after the 4th of July holiday. Jet fuel demand hits the highest since 2019 on a seasonal basis. Oil is up about 17% this year, with gains supported by OPEC Plus group's supply cuts to maintain price levels.